Hello guys, this is Molas. Today we'll discuss how to register .tz domain by using fred-client application. .tz domain is used in Tanzania, .tz, which is Tanzania. So fred-client is an application which are used by TZNIC, which is Tanzania Network Information Center. So if you want to register a domain by using fred-client, application is fred-client. So you should have a server which is installed a fred-client. So for me, I have my server. So you can log in by using a PuTTY. You can type your server IP like anything, maybe 192.168, maybe .1.20. so then you can log in, you can type your username and the password. Then like me, I have already logged in right here. So in order to run a fred-client application, I should type fred-client, then I should hit enter. This application is used only for this one for command, so it is not a GUI. So as you can see right here, this one for TZNIC, which is Tanzania Network Information Center. So .tz domain, there is a lot of .tz domain like .or, .tz, .co.tz, a lot of domain which ended with the .tz. This one is for Tanzania. So like .ac.tz, this one it have a meaning. This one for organization, this one for company, this one for academic. You should not register .ac for any company or even a school. You should not register this one, only for university or even institutes which are registered. So let's first, in order to register a .tz domain, these are the key points you should know. There is a registrant, there is a registrant, there is a registrar. So a registrant is the one who are purchasing a domain, and the registrar is the one who register a domain, registrar. So the one who are register a domain, like me, I'm going to register a domain. So also NSSID, this one for name server. So just like in a phone book, so it used it to store your IP with your domain name. So NSSID and other thing we will check right here. Also there is a contact. In order to register a domain, you should have the contact for administrator, for admin, and you should have a contact for registrant. The one who are purchasing a domain should have their details for registrant. Let's type right here. So let's run our application. I have already run an application as a fred-client, and if you want to log out in a fred-client, just type exit, so you will be out. So fred-client, so this one, maybe I want to show you how to register a domain. I want to register this one, .co.tz. The first thing I should check, I have enough balance to register a domain. Credit info. So this one for checking a balance, I I think I have a balance. For .co.tz I have this amount, so this one is enough. So let's go for registration of .test.co.tz. Before going to register, I should create a contact for admin and a registrant. So to create there is two ways. If you want to register, if you want to create a contact, if you want to create maybe an SSID name saver, you should create this ID in order your domain to be in that name saver. So let's create a admin contact. So we have two ways. The first one is interactive mode, which is very easy, and this one will be used, and the one is for the professional, so you can create maybe a contacts or can register a domain by a single command. So let's go for interactive mode. If we add a command, so it will ask, so create. The one for create a contact, just type create a contact, then hit enter, then it will ask you type your contact ID. So this one for admin, the one who are registered like me, so I'm just putting this one, maybe TIT, just for your memory, adv. I'm just using this one. Then what is my name? I can put right here, Mulas. Then my mail address, maybe I just mulastek at gmail.com. Then my street, maybe let's TMK. Then street 2 is optional, so no need. Then city, the postal code, maybe 1112, just this one for testing. In country code you should type TZ in capital letter. Then state or province is no need. My organization, maybe ABC. So this one, transfer key, if you want to transfer this contact, but this one no need. My phone number, so it's an optional, but the format for using phone number is +255 dot maybe something 715 maybe, so I'm not putting phone number. Then fax, I'm not going to give fax. Then this one also just enter VAT, enter, no need. Then identification number is no need. So notification email, this one for it will give me the notification. If I don't want to put, it will take this one notification, it will be sent to this mail, or I can take this one. Then enter. Client transaction ID, this one is no need. So up to right now I have already created a contact for administrator. So if I will press enter, it will ask me. If I type yes, the contact will be created. So I have already created that one. I just want to show you, so I press no, but that contact I have already created. Then the second one, so the first one, it will be admin contact. Next one, registrant contact. So registrant contact, the same as admin contact, just you should distinguish this one for admin and this one for registrant, the one who are purchasing the domain, registrant. Then the next one, let us create a name saver, because each domain should be in a name saver, so that the domain will be resolved in that name saver. If you want to add any kind of records, it will be added in that name saver you list. So the first one you should create, maybe someone come to you and he told you, I just want to register a domain through this name saver. So the first one, you should create a name saver. So to create a name saver is easy. Just this one for interactive mode, ns, just create NSSET, which is for name saver. So ns set id, I'm just using, which one I can use, I can write ns, this one just a name, so you should remember. Then list, I should enter my name saver right here. So just for testing, ns1 dot test dot maybe .co.tz, and the IP address, but I will not put the IP address because it's an optional. So the name saver should be 2 or 3 or 4. So ns1, if ns1 is not available, so ns2 will be available. So test.co.tz, then the address, will not put the address. So list of DNS 3, we are just using 2. So technical contact, this one we will put an admin contact, which is TIT ADV, is just a contact. That one we was created. Then technical 2, we are using only technical 1. Then password for transfer, will not put. Then report range, no need. Then client transaction ID is no need. So through this process we have already created our NS set. So if we press enter, it will ask, but we are not creating. I just want to show you. I'm pressing no. So we just imagine we have already created our NS set ID, which is our name saver. So our domain will be resolving through that name saver. So we have already created NS set ID. Then we are going to register a domain. So in order to register a domain, we'll use our interactive mode. So create a domain. So you should know first the domain should be available, so you can check if the domain is available, then you can register that domain. So I will put domain name, maybe test.co.tz, this one, our domain name. Then registrant ID. So our registrant ID, that one, contact for registrant. So registrant ID, let us use maybe RTP, this one, like that one for TIT/ADV was created. I just put this one. Then let's put this letters. So then password, no need. NS set ID, this one, our NS set ID, which was NS, which one, this one was created, NS vend, this one, NS set ID. So our name saver will be in this ID. Then key set ID, no need. Then periods or number of month or years. So this one we are going to register for 1 year, or if you want for 2 years this one, or 1 month, you'll put this one. So I'm going to register 1 year, so we can put 1. Then if for years, we can put Y, and for month it will be M. So I'm going to put 1 year. Then administrative contact. So administrative contact, that one, TIT, the one who registered the domain. ADV, that one was created. Then administrative contact 2, no need, we just using only one administrative contact, this one no need. Then we can go for enum, no need. Then client transaction ID is no need. Then just press enter. So it will ask if we will press Y, the domain will be created and it will be registered. So I'm just pressing N because I don't want to register that domain, just for learning purpose. So I'm pressing N, it will not be registered. So that one, how we are going to register .tz domain, if it .or.tz, if it is .co.tz, .ac, any .tz domain, is the way how we are going to. Also, let's show one thing. If you want to list all of your commands in fred-client, just press help, it will show you. So you can create, check contact, this one for checking domain, key set, NS set, this one for create contact, create domain, so credit info, this one for checking your balance. If you want to delete contact, it's a normal, just this one and select any of this one, maybe delete. I want to delete maybe a contact, then it will ask me which contact I want to delete, but I don't want to delete anything. So this is how we are register .tz domain. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Also like and comments. Thank you.